The topic is about OTA, over the air. Over the air updates in automotive system. It will update the revolutionized way automotive manufacturers and service providers and maintain and upgrade the secure vehicle systems. This technology allows software updates to be deployed remotely to a vehicle issues without requiring a physical visit to the service centers. What are the OTA updates? The OTA updates involves wireless communication to transfer software updates, patches, or new soft features to the vehicle embedded systems. This process leverages the internet connectivity with cellular and Wi-Fi and other communication channels. What are OTA updates? Firmware over the air is a substitute of the over the air technology, specifically focus on updating the firmware of ECUs in a vehicle. This firmware refers to the embedded software that control hardware functions within a ECU. This photo ensures that vehicle remains up to date with the latest features and bug fixes and security patches without requires physical intervention. The purpose of OTA rollback mechanism. What will happen if the software is stopped in between and the existed feature, how it can convey the information. So here the rollback mechanism plays major role. Over the air, the rollback is a critical mechanism in the software updates, particularly for devices like automobiles, IoT devices, and other embedded systems. It ensures that if the system is filed or predominantly during the updates, the system should revert to the previous version of the software without impacting to the current system or the current functionalities. What are the key components of OTA updates? Majorly, the key components of OTA updates are backend server, where the server should have, it will be playing a center of the platform, where the updates are created and validated and distributed among the servers. It ensures that proper version control and compliance with security protocols to be used, and vehicle communication gateway. Whenever the software is configuring with the vehicles, it should go with the gateway ECU. That the ECU will be distributed the complete software to the respective ECUs within the vehicle, and it will be update the software will be updated to the specific target ECUs based on the address it mentioned in the software. And the ECUs specifically, it receives the information from the gateway, and that software will be updated. So it's related to the comfort features or the safety features or the powertrain ECUs. And security framework ensure that whatever the data we are transferring or updating towards the each ECU, it should be encrypted, and it should have some authorization, and doing with respect to the protocols, with the help of the protocols, it should be updated, because there are chances that cyber attacks can be happen with wireless activity. So we need to ensure that proper authorized person should be accessed, and it should be updated on the devices. What are the benefits of OTA updates? Generally, the benefits of OTA updates are the, it will be a easy convenience and continuous improvement, cost saving, and security and bug fixes will be happening on fly and enhance the customer engagement. So the convenience and cost saving, it reduces the need for service center without visiting the service center. The softwares can be upgraded and saves the time, and both the manufacturer and vehicle owners, and enhance the vehicle performance, update the softwares to the uh, latest with fixing the bugs and optimizing the performance and new features, increases the safety, So the safety features are very important towards the vehicles. Some of the part of airbags or radars or braking system and parking relevant, and real-time diagnostics and monitoring. So this will be provided when there are some features will be integrating and validating on the specific target ECUs. What are the type of OTA updates? The type of OTA updates are software updates. It will update the updates the patches that relevant to the software which are running on the ECU, and the firmware updates. It's upgraded to the low-level code and controls the hardware components. And future updates, it includes the new functionality such as improving the navigation algorithms, or the additional software features will be involved, and configuring the updates. So modifying the system settings or the parameters and changing the vehicle mode configurations, everything. What are the process of OTA updates? Here, the process of OTA updates, it have specifically the wired and wireless will be followed. Generally, the OTA, it talks about the wireless protocol, how securely encrypted the data, and you are transferring to the respective use with the help of gateway modules. So the process of OTA updates, update the development manufacturers design and test the updates in the controlled environment. And once that is done, then we updates the undergo extension validation to ensure that the software, whichever the patch we need to configure to the respective use, it should be compatible and function properly. And secure distribution, once the softwares are up to date, that should be encrypted and sent to the vehicles over the secure connection. And vehicle side, it should be received the same data. It will be a part of a gateway issue. From the gateway issue, the software will be downloaded and it will be updated into the respective issues. And the final will be the deployments. So once the software is deployed to the respective issues, the vehicle should be in a safe mode. It should be parked or powered off. During that time, the software should be reverted. And confirmation, the vehicle sends a success or failure report back to the server, so that from the server end, it will be easier to track which vehicles or the issues are updated properly and what is the next variant should be taken part. And what are the applications in automotive system? So applications in automotive system, so specifically the ADAS and autonomous driving, it will upgrade and improve the algorithm for collision detection and lane keep assist and traffic sign recognition and infotainment systems, add a new apps, updates the navigation maps, or fixes the connectivity issues, powertrain and battery management. So it will optimize the engine performance, fuel efficiency, and the battery health conditions that can be updated. Those features, comfort and convenience feature, update the climate control algorithm, seat adjustment or preference, ambient light setting, security patches, protect against emergency cyber security. And what are the challenges in OTA updates? So challenges is the connectivity dependency and update size, complexity of the update, user experience, and security risk. These are the points that we need to understand on the challenges of the OTA. So security concerns, it have a risk of hacking, unauthorized access to the vehicle system, requires the encryption and authentication measures should be followed, and compatibility issues. So we need to ensure and update the existing hardware. If any conflicts is happening between the configuration and other parameters, it should be identified. And network reliability depends on the stable network connectivity. The software should be updated. If not, it should not update. It should have maintain the proper capability length, bandwidth, that based upon that only it should update. And user acceptance, educating users about the importance and safety of the OTA updates. And what are the future strengths of OTA in automotive? More frequently and complex updates will be happening because the dependence of the issues are more, and personalized updates and improved integration with the autonomous vehicle and 5G connectivity. So edge computation integration, so reduce the latency and enhance the efficiency of the updates, AI machine learning, and this enables the predictable upgrade by analyzing the vehicle data for potential users, and full vehicle updates, moving towards the unified software architects where all the systems can be updated simultaneously, and blockchain for security ensure that immutable and secure record of the update transaction. What are the examples of automakers using OTA updates? So the auto examples, it will be a part of a Tesla or BMW or Ford. There are many other part of manufacturer OEMs are working on how the softwares can be updated with wireless network connectivity. So Tesla is the one where it will be a pioneer of OTA updates. Regularly, they're introducing new features like self-driving and the UI upgradation. And BMW, it will offer the OTA updates for infotainment and navigation and driving assistant. And Ford, so it is a power-up system for deploying of the updates across various models. And Volkswagen's importance of OTA updates for the ID and series EVs focus on mostly on the software optimization and new features.